Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm gonna make something today that you guys probably have never seen before. This is gonna be something new, something fun. So let me explain what it is. This is the Trader Joe's version of what I'm gonna make today. They call it a 5-cheese Greek spiral. It's filo dough rolled and filled. This one's with cheese, but you know they can fill it with meat, potatoes, spinach, whatever it is. And I actually have a video on this that I'm gonna post at the end of the video as a link. I made this video probably a couple of years ago. This one is the same thing but different style. As you can see here, this one is layered. It's not rolled and spiraled. It's layered. So it's the same thing. This one's filled with cheese as well, but it's layered instead of spiraled and tubed rolled. So as you can see, this one's a little different. I'll compare them like side to side. So I'll post the video for this one, but today I'm making this one here. Now this one you can't find at Trader Joe's. They don't sell this style at Trader Joe's. The only one they do sell is this one here, and it's really good. So you can eat it as a main meal or a side. All right, let's go make lunch. So this is going to be both of them side by side. This is going to be the Trader Joe's one, the spiral, and this is going to be the one that I'm going to make today, the one that's layered. Both of them are made with cheese, frozen, and they're pretty delicious. You can pause here to see what kind of cheese is in there. You see on the bottom there, it shows you the kind of cheese they put in here. This one's pretty much the same thing. It's just layered instead of tubed. See how it's tubed and spiraled, and then all the filling is in the tube. This one is layered, so you got the layer of filo dough and then whatever cheese, meat, and then another layer of filo dough, and it goes up and up and up. So it cooks in about 40 minutes, bakes actually. And all right, that's gonna be lunch. All right, so this is what it looks like before we bake it at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. Right there, it's getting a little soft. What I do, I leave it out for about half hour to soften up a little bit, and then I just bake it for 40 minutes straight. Turns out beautiful. You'll see how it turns out. It turns out real nice. So it took 40 minutes, and this is exactly what it looks like. It looks beautiful, crispy, flaky, hot, and delicious. So I'm gonna let it sit for a minute, and I'm gonna slice it in 4 pieces, and then we're gonna eat it. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I'll tell you what it tastes like. All right, here it is. You can see there's a lot of cheese in it from the side. This is way better angle, like that. It's the other side, and then this is gonna be the back side. Top, bottom. All right, let's try it. Oh, so good. It doesn't taste frozen like when you buy frozen pizza. You can tell it's frozen. For some reason, this doesn't taste frozen at all. It's really, really good. Really delicious. You can eat this by itself, or you can eat it as a side. It's very crispy on the outside and fluffy and delicious on the inside. Hot.
All right, guys. That's all I got. I'm gonna go finish this. See you in the next video. Bye.